Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm unboxing something very special. The pop race Mercedes CLK-GTR D2 from the 1997 FIA GT Championship, car number 11. If you're a fan of legendary race cars or diecast models, this one you don't want to miss. So first, let's take a look at the box. Pop Race has always delivered premium unboxing experience, and you can see the sleek design here with the car details and branding clearly displayed. The box itself feels sturdy, which is great for collectors who like to keep their packaging in mint condition. Alright, let's open this up and see what's inside. Pop Race is known for their high quality diecast models. They've been gaining a lot of attention for the details and accuracy. If you're not familiar with them, they specialize in 1/64 scale models, and they've been releasing some incredible replicas of iconic race cars and street cars. Inside, the car seems securely packed and the plastic seems very comfortable. You can already tell this is going to be a very high quality piece. And here it is, the Mercedes CLK-GTR D2 from 1997. This car is an absolute legend in the world of motorsports. It was built to dominate the FIA GT Championship, and it did just that, winning the championship in its debut year. The CLK-GTR is one of the most iconic GT1 cars ever made, and Pop Race has done an incredible job capturing its essence in this 1/64 scale model. Just look at the lines on the car, it's stunning. Let's talk about the real car for the moment. The Mercedes CLK-GTR was powered by a 6.9-liter V12 engine producing over 600 horsepower. It was designed to compete in GT1 class, and its aerodynamic design and lightweight construction made it a force to be reckoned with on the track. The car was so advanced for its time that it basically rewrote the rules of GT racing. Now let's take a closer look at the Pop Race model. The levels of details here are incredible. The front end features the iconic Mercedes grille and headlights, perfect replica in this tiny scale. You can even see the number 11 decals, just like the real car from 1997 season. At the back, you've got the massive rear wings and the dual exhaust pipes. The rear hood is also removable, which is a really cool feature. Pop Race has included these removable parts to give the collector a closer look at the details underneath. Wow, look at that engine bay. Beautifully detailed, the V12 engine is clearly visible. This is such a nice touch and really adds the authenticity of the model. And the front hood is also removable. Underneath, you can see the suspensions and the other mechanical details. Pop Race has really gone above and beyond with this model. Wheels are perfectly replicated with iconic center lock design and the realistic tire treads. The side profile shows off the car's aggressive stance and aerodynamic shape. Through the window, you can even see the detailed interior, complete with racing seats and steering wheel. The livery is spot on, with all the sponsored decals, racing details accurately reproduced. And overall, this Pop Race Mercedes CLK GTR D2 is an absolute masterpiece. The attention to detail, the removable part, and the overall quality makes it a must-have for diecast collectors. Pop Race has once again proven why they are one of the best in the business, and when it comes to 1/64 scale model, they're amazing. I love this car and I'm so glad I got my hands on it. If you're thinking of adding this to your collection, I highly recommend it. It's a beautiful tribute to one of the most iconic race cars of all time. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comment which aspect of this Pop Race Mercedes CLK-GTR did you like. Until next time, happy collecting.